Okay, so as you can see, I took all the plastic molding off, just so we have more space to work. And there's there's four main bolts that hold the subframe on, and there's the front one on the driver's side. And I don't know if you can see up in here or not, but you see the threads are pretty tall, so you definitely have room to loosen them on the passenger side. And then I think the plan is to just take the driver's side loose, put something up underneath the transmission to support it, drop the frame down on just the driver's side, undo the transmission, and just pull it off. Pull it straight off. Or that's the plan anyway, but it's looking like a good plan so far. So I just got to get the steering thing loose and just keep on going. But that's the progress so far, so I'll be back. Okay, so we got that bolt out from the steering. I'm going to show you what else I did here. I cracked this loose for the front driver's side of the subframe. Actually, I cracked all four of them loose, but again, you don't want to take them all the way out yet until you get some tension on the bottom of the transmission. Now, I could have used a bottle jack, would have been a lot easier and better in my opinion, but you're going to need something that rolls, because when you take that transmission loose, you're going to need to be able to roll it back just like an inch or two. So the plan is to, on the driver's side, drop this subframe down, keep the transmission supported up, and then maybe even lower it a little bit and then slide it out that way. So that's the plan anyway. Oh yeah, one more thing I want to show you. Damn it. Son of a bitch. Okay. One more thing here. If I can get the light over here. Okay. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's 3 bolts that hold the mount to the transmission, which is also bolted to the subframe. So you got to take the bolts loose that hold the mount to the transmission. So I got 2 of them out. I cracked the third one loose, which is pretty hard to get to, but I'll update you later when I make more progress. Okay, real quick, this is what holds your radiator and shit up, this mount right here. So it's important, this is the driver's side of course, it's important to take these bolts loose. I'm going to take them all the way out, but before I take them all the way out, I'm going to support this radiator with some wire, because this whole thing is going to drop down, and you don't want that radiator just hanging or trying to come with it. So it's important to have wiggle room and shit. So I'll be back. Okay, I just want to show y'all something real quick. This whole subframe is loose now. Okay, I don't know if you can see it move or not, but either way, these have a lot of thread on them, so you can actually drop those out quite a ways before it comes all the way out. So I'm going to go loosen the other side a little bit more, just so we have even more wiggle room, but I'll be back. Okay, I just want to update you on my progress. I think I'm going to abort the whole plan of dropping just the side of it, of the subframe, because I just think it's going to be a lot easier if I just drop the whole thing. I hate to say it, but I think it's the truth. So I've hooked onto the, I don't know if you can see it or not, I hooked on the radiator hose with the wire and wired it up to this part on the body, and I did the same thing over here, and I already took the bolts loose from the mount. There's the wire. I already took the bolts loose from the mount on the passenger side of the radiator that mounts it to the subframe. So, Lord willing, I think it's going to come out now. I don't know. I hate to jinx myself, but Lord willing, it's going to come out fairly easily, I think, maybe. I don't know. But you can see that this whole thing moving. Well, maybe not. But well, let's get under here then. I just want to show you how loose it is. That whole thing is loose. You can see it moving. See it better up here. So, yeah, that whole thing is loose. So, I'll get back with you.